Hi guys, this is Bay and
Mom.
and today we will be reviewing my mum's new album, her EP. I gave her permission to come in my room because she likes the lighting in my room.
I can come in anytime I want.
But yeah, she has 6 songs in this album, and they are Ihegeme, Ijoma,
Ijem Gavulili Jama.
Hallelujah, High Praise.
No, start from the beginning so I can be giving highlights of the songs. Start from the beginning, the list of the song, then I'll give you highlights.
Okay. So there is Ihegeme,
Onye gemere m ya, ahe, Iyoma. Onye gemere m ya.
and then there's Ijoma.
Ijem Gavulili Jama. Ihukwa m n'ụzọ kpọwa m Ijoma, which means my ways will be beautiful. Ijem, hebem, hebem, hebem. Okay.
And then there's Hallelujah Praise, High Praise.
Chineke nna m, onye ọma me, eze ka eze me, ekele dịrị gị o. This is the praise you've been asking me for. It's out. Go download it. iTunes. In fact, later I'll tell you where you can pick them up from. The next one.
Then there's Obiamuleka Remix.
Obiangolika me. If you want a life, oh, joy and peace, oh, Obiangoliki geji, oh. Which means anything you want in life, you got to approach life with a heart of joy. Yeah, that's what it is. Positive attitude. If you have the right attitude, you can achieve anything in life. That's what Obiangolika is.
Then there's Amazing Praise.
Amazing Praise is the one that has Amaram na Jehovah diri mumae. Amaram hebem. Oh, how I can. A lot of this is mainly Igbo songs, but it's something that you can use. Why I termed it Dance for Health is you can use it to do your dances, just in case.
And the last but not least is Very Right.
That's right. Very, very right. I didn't complete it, but I thought to just chuck it in there. The once I have the opportunity, I'll finish it. I started with my brother, Odera, a few years ago. Oh, I miss him so much because he's young, and so he brings out the youth in me. Many of the songs we did, Count Your Blessings, there's another one, Emmanuel, Chimsum Nazu. I did it with Odi Boy, so I miss him so much. Dallas, my little brother. So that's right, very, very right. Okay, that's the song. So go get the song, and I think they teaching me how to do a zonto to it, isn't it? Okay.
So today we're going to be vibing to Very Right, and I'm going to get my mom to solo one of the solos because
Solo one of the solos. That's a nice English. It's only one solo, I think. Yeah. Okay. So what do you want me to do? Just sing to it. Yeah. Okay. So I'll try and remember. It's my song anyway. I wrote it, so you know. Okay. When you're ready.
All right.
What was that you were teaching me?
Never really been messed because I'm really, really blessed. Whether you're soul or flesh, God will lock you in a mesh. Once upon a time, people tried to block my shine. Now has come the time I will let my light shine. My life, your life, his life, her life, our lives in the hands of God. My life, your life, his life, her life, our lives are in the hands of God. Any day, anytime, anywhere, any place, my life is surely safe. Any day, anytime, anywhere, any place, my life is surely safe. That's right. Very, very right. That's right. Very, very right. That's right. Very, very right. In the line of him, in the line of him.
Listen there. Everybody wanna test my style now. Me I tell them say this not my time now. Me and I'm messing with the put time down now. Baba God don't give us mantle now. But yeah, now let's go to the back, yo. You know the way we do I'm down, yo. This is freestyle, not listen to watch, yo. This is freestyle, man, I show you what it. Baba God, now my papa. Everybody love me, now my aka. This no big time to be baba. They call him baba, now my papa. Well now let's 1, 2, 3. You don't say this, now my hand 2, 3. So if you know say you like Baba God, just come out and do the as well too.
Blessed beyond every curse. People have spoken words.
That's the end of the song. But then I love that. I love the way you are looking at me. You're admiring me. I'm sure you'll be thinking, this is my mom. I'm just tired. I'm sure you'll be like, when does she stop talking? Okay, so where do we go from here?
Please make sure to download this EP. This is how it looks like.
Oh, I love
so
that
colourful.
picture.
Like, it's so nice.
It doesn't look like me. If you use that picture,
I think you're catfishing.
the people say you can't find me with my pictures. Because when I'm ready to take pictures, I go out. Right. Thank you, Madam Zina, for helping me review this song. The one that, the reason I even release these songs now was because a lot of people were asking for hallelujah praise. But from the look of things, That's Right got me. And it's not even like fully complete. But it's something that you should just keep going until I get you the full song. That's right. Very, very right. But thank you so much, Mommy. God bless you. I know you weren't feeling very well. But I pray that God will bring complete healing to you, okay? You should be fine. Especially when you look at my face, I'm talking to you. You should smile. That brings us to this matter of smiling. Explain to people why you don't like smiling.
I feel like I don't like it, but I don't know.
You shy again.
It's just not something like I don't have a
Put your
smiley
hand
face.
in your face. I will smack your face.
I don't have a smiley face. Like I have that face.
Why? It's not that's cow face. Don't touch me. Cow face. Yes, exactly. Open your teeth.
But it's so much effort. Like I'll just rather have a straight face.
No, don't do that. You rather have a woman without a smile. You're gonna work hard to keep your family happy. Exactly. The muscles in your face are relaxed.
They're
And
relaxed
you-
like this.
No, when you smile, like it just brings out the beauty in a woman. You're not born to frown. And you've got some beautiful dimple right behind. You get what I mean? So keep the face nice and smiley. Can you imagine if I don't smile? Tell us how you feel when I don't smile. When I just stone up my face and I'm shouting.
Bother talking to you.
So why do you want me to be talking to you when you're always frowning? If you don't bother talking to me
Always.
when
I'm not always frowning.
I know. Only smiling when she's dancing to some what's that Jumebi or Jumoke dance with Ben. But she does smile. I think because she's well. But I think the problem is when she starts to dance, she concentrates.
Yeah, that's like even when I'm running, everything, my face is like, so I don't mess it up.
She don't mess it up. It's more like a concentration tactic. I see. But that's what you should tell us or explain. Then I will be reminding you, smile. Every time I will be reminding
But
you.
then the smile looks forced.
Yeah, that's what some people are saying, that you don't smile and it looks like I force you. And I don't want it to look like that. Because this is something we love to do. This is something we do as a bonding strategy. See, I'm in your room and we're chatting.
I'll learn it, but I know how to do it, but I'll get better.
You have to do it consciously. It has to be a conscious personality. You have to remember to smile. You think I love hurting my face like when I'm dancing? It's all like, I think it's what music does to my brain. Like I feel it and I just it makes me happy. So you need to learn it. Okay? It's your promise? So guys, the next time Zina will be dancing, let's watch out at that too. You see the way you laughed. My 32, even when I'm talking, you tend to almost see everything, you know. It is actually a very important aspect of our African dance. You cannot be doing African dance without smiling. You can't. people you lose your audience because you're not carrying them along. But when you're dancing and smiling and you're looking, so people think I overdo it. No, that's the idea. That's the tool.
Period.
Simple. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for helping me reviewing my song. So which one do you like most? Very right. That's right. Amazing.
I like Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Guys, download it and bless someone with it, and let's tell me how you feel about the songs, the one that you like most. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I know Ihegeme is already out there. We had a video that's nearly 2 million now on Facebook. Our family. Hey, it's not Ima. Download it and be a blessing to what I'm doing. I'm not just I am not a dancer, to be quite honest. I am more like I am a music minister. That's me. That's my calling. That's who I am. Dancing happened on our way, and a life's journey, and you can't throw it away. We just, you know what, I took the dancing and added it to my toolkit. Music, dancing, inspirational, and there we are. So thank you so much. Love you guys.